Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. You know, when you go out to eat, it's always fun to find something that is unique, different, and fun. So, Friday evening, we went to Oakland. And I think my family found this place, June Pizza, either from TikTok or YouTube or somewhere. And he said it's really a very fun place. So we ended up there Friday evening. Oh my goodness, it looks so fun. And it seems in an old factory, an old warehouse or old factory. Oakland is very industrial, right? There were port and there were shippings and industrial productions. So that area really have that reviving, but not yet totally revived, that industrial, that feel, and it's so very cool. And we went to this restaurant. It's just, yeah, you need to go there. If you are a pizza person, that place you get really unique, cool pizza. And if you are not a pizza person, I know there are some people are not pizza person, but just seeing the pizza being hand rolled, hand made, and see the oven, the huge industrial oven, see the oven fire and the pizza start to raising up. It's really so cool. And then at the end, there was one chef controlling the quality and adding grated cheese and basil leaf and some other things. It's really so fun. It reminds me when we sail to Italy, to Sicily, and yeah, or maybe anyway, when we sailed in the Mediterranean in Italy, and the pizza freshly made, very cool, very cool. That vibe is so very cool. June pizza, so fun.